Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Here we are going to discuss exercise 6, question number 1 to 12 of chapter 6 problem on simultaneous linear equation. So let us start solving here question number 1 to 12 of M.L.aggarwal class 9th mathematics. Here we are going to solve exercise 6. So the first question says here in this, the sum of two numbers is 50 and the difference is 16. So we have to find the numbers here. Let here x and y be two numbers. So here the given information is the sum of two numbers is 50. These two numbers is 50 and put it as the first equation, and the difference here is 16. Putting it as the second equation, we will add this first and second equation. On adding, we will cancel out this. Here on adding, we will get 2x is equal to 66, and from here this will be cancelled out. So x is equal to 33 from here. Now we have to find the value of y by putting the value of x. So y is equal to 50 minus x from the first equation. Putting the value of x, we will get here my 50 minus 32 equal to 17. So hence the value of y from here is 17. Hence the value of the numbers here, x is equal to 33 and y is equal to 17, is the final answer here in this question. Here we are going to solve question number 2. So in question number 2, the question says the sum of two numbers is 2 and if their difference is 20, we have to find the numbers. Again, let the numbers be x and y, like previous question only, which we have solved here. So given information is x plus y is equal to 2 and x minus y is equal to 20. Let it be the first and second equation. Now we will add. On adding these equations here, this will be cancelled out. Here we will get 2x equal to 22. From here, x is equal to 11. Now, using the value of x, we can find the value of y from the first equation. So 2 minus x, 2 minus 11 equal to minus 9. So y is equal to minus 9. Hence, the value of the numbers here, x is equal to 11 and y is equal to minus 9, is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Here we are going to solve question number 3, which is the sum of two numbers is 43 from here, and if the larger is doubled and the smaller is tripled, the difference is 36. We have to find the two numbers. So let the numbers be here again as x and y. So given information is sum is 43 from here, and the difference here is if the larger is doubled and the smaller is tripled. So larger, let x be the larger number than y. So 2x minus, this is the difference here. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 36. Let it be the first and second equation. Now to solve these two equations, we will multiply this equation with 3. On multiplying, we will get 3x plus 3y equal to 129 here. So 2x minus 2y equal to 36. We will use this second equation and this third equation to find the value of x and y from here. This will be cancelled out on adding. So we will add here. Here we will get 5x equal to 9 plus 6, 5, and here 6, 165. This will be cancelled out as 33. X is equal to 33 from this question. Now by using the value of x, we can find the value of y from the first equation. So y is equal to 43 minus x. So 43 minus 33 is equal to 10 is the value of y. So here value of y is 10. Hence the value of x is equal to 33 and y is equal to 10 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Now let us solve the fourth question here. So let 1 kg of sugar be x and let 1 kg of rice be y. So on solving here, firstly we can write it as 5 kg of sugar plus 7 kg of rice as 153 as the first equation, And the second is 7x plus 5y is 147 from the second part. To solve this, firstly we will add. On adding first and second, we will get here 12x plus y equal to 300. We will cancel 12 and 300. So on solving, we will get here 300 by 12 as 150, here 250, here 25. So x plus y is equal to 25 from here. Let it be the third equation. On subtracting here first and second, on subtracting first and second equation, we will get minus 2x plus 2y equal to 153 minus 147 as 6. So minus 2 we will take common as x minus y equal to 3 equal to 6. This will be cancelled out as 3. So x minus y is equal to minus 3 because this minus will go this side. Now we can use this fourth equation and third equation to find the value of x and y. So firstly, x plus y equal to 25 and x minus y is equal to minus 3. So here we are going to add these equations. On solving, we will cancel out this y. 2x is equal to 25 minus 3 as 22. So x is equal to 11. By using the value of x, we can find the value of y is equal to 25 minus x equal to 25 minus 11 as 14. So y is equal to 14. Hence, now we can find the value of cost. We have to find the cost of 6 kg of sugar and 10 kg of rice. Here we can find as 1 kg of sugar is of 11 rupees and 1 kg of rice is of 14 rupees. So we will multiply 6 with 11 plus 10 with 14 to find the value of these both. So 11 into 6 from here plus 14 into 10 is equal to, we have to find. So it is 66 plus 140. On adding, we will get 206. Hence, the cost of 6 kg of sugar, 6 kg of sugar and 10 kg of rice, 10 kg of rice is equal to rupees 206 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here in this question. Now let us solve the fifth question here, which is the class 9 students of a certain public school wanted to give a farewell party to the outgoing students of class 10. They decided to purchase two kinds of sweets, one costing rupees 70 per kg and the other costing rupees 84 per kg. They estimated that 36 kg of sweets were needed. If the total money spent on sweets was 2800, find how much sweets of each kind they purchased. So we have to find the sweets of each kind they purchased, how much. We have to spend 2800 estimated, and they needed estimated 36 kg of sweets were needed. Let the sweets they purchased of each kind be first as x and second be y respectively. We can write this as x plus y equal to 36 and here 70 per kg. Means if 1 kg is of 70, so 70 is of if we have to find the value of x kg, so it is x into 70. So 70x plus 84y equal to 2800. We can just multiply this with 70. So 70x plus 70y equal to 0. 7, 21 and 21 plus 4 is 25. Where it is 70x plus 84y equal to 2800. This we will subtract here. On subtracting, we will get minus 14y equal to minus here 0 and here 10 to 8, 27 minus 280. This will be cancelled out and y is equal to 280 by 14. So 7, 140 and here 20. So y is equal to 20 kg. From here, we can find the value of x by 36 minus y equal to 36 minus 20 as 16 kg. Hence from here, x is equal to 16 kg. Hence we have find the value means how much sweets they bought of each kind is Firstly, they bought one kind of sweet as 16 kg and the second kind as 20 kg is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Here the sixth question says that if from twice the greater of two numbers is 16 is subtracted, the result is half the other number. If from half the greater number 1 is subtracted, the result is still half the number. What are the numbers? So firstly, we will let the number be x and y, and here it is said that if from twice the greater of two numbers, let the two numbers x be the greater number. So 2x minus twice of the two numbers 16 is subtracted. The result is half the other number. So it is half of y. Let it be the first equation. If from half the greater number 1 is subtracted, from half the greater number 1 is subtracted, the result is still half the other number. Let it be the second equation. Now we will subtract this equation here. On subtracting, this will be cancelled out, and here we will get as 2 minus 1 by 2 as 2 minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2x. So, and here we will subtract this minus 16 with 1. So minus 15 equal to 0, as this will be cancelled out. So 3 by 2x is equal to 15, and from here x is equal to 15 into 2 divided by 3. This is 10. So x is equal to 10 from here, and now we have to find the value of y. So by using the first equation, we can find the value of y as half y is equal to 2x minus 16. So 2 into 10 as, by putting the value of x here, 20 minus 16, it is 4, and y is equal to 4 into 2 as 8. So this is the final answer here in this question. Hence, the value of x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 8 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Here we are going to solve question number 7. So question number 7 says that there are 38 coins in a collection of 20 paise coins and 25 paise coins. If the total value of the collection is 8.50, then how many of each are there? Let the 20 paise coins be x, 20 paise coins uh, is equal to as x, and let the 25 paise coins be y. So here we have 20x plus 25y is equal to 8.50, and 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So it is equal to 8.50 into 100 as 850. Let it be the first equation. Now we can add x plus y, which is the collection of coins. So it is 38y. X plus y equal to 38. We will multiply this second equation with 20 to find out the value of x and y from here. So it is 20, and multiplying this 20, we will get 20x, 20y, and here as 760. So we will subtract this equation here. This will be cancelled out. Here we will get 5y equal to 850 minus 760 as, on subtracting, 85 minus 76 as 9, and y is equal to 90 by 5 from here. So 118 from here. Y is equal to 18. Now we can find the value of x. So x plus y is equal to 38. So x is equal to 38 minus 18 as 20. So this is the value of x. Hence, the 20 paise coins are 20 paise coins is equal to rupees 20, 20 number, and the 25 paise coins, the 25 paise coins are 18 in number. Now when we will add this, we will get 38 as the collection of coins here. So this is the final answer here in this question. Now let us solve the eighth question here, which is a man has certain notes of denomination rupees 20 and rupees 5 which amount to rupees 380. If the number of notes of each kind is interchanged, they amount to rupees 60 less as before. Find the number of notes of each denomination. Let the number of notes of rupees 20 be x, and let the number of notes of denomination rupees 5 by. So when we will add this, we will get 20x plus 5y as 380 as the amount here. If the number of notes of each kind is interchange, if they are interchange as 5x plus 20y, we get as amount 60 less as before. So 380 minus 60 as 320. Now we have to find the number of notes of each denomination. We will firstly add these first and second equation and then subtract to find the value of x and y. On adding first and second here, we will get 25x plus 25y equal to uh, 700. Now we will take 25 as common, so x plus y is equal to 700. This we will divide. So 700 by 25 as 5. Here 140 and here 48. So 28 here. Now x plus y is equal to 28. So let it be the third equation. On subtracting here, first and second equation. First and second equation we will get as 15x minus 15y equal to 60. 15 we will take as common. On solving we will get 5 and here 20. So here 4. X minus y as 4. This is the fourth equation. Now we can just solve these third and fourth equation. X plus y is equal to 28 and x minus y is equal to 4. This will be cancelled out. Here we will get 32 and here 16. So x is equal to 16 from here. Hence the number of notes of rupees 20 are from here as 16 and the number of notes of rupees 5 we have to find. So y is equal to from here only third equation as 28 minus x. Putting the value of x we will get 28 minus 16 as 12. So from here y is equal to 12. X and y from here, x is equal to 16 and y is equal to 12. Hence the value of x is equal to 16 and y is equal to 12 means the number of notes of rupees 20 are 16 and the number of notes of rupees 5 are 12. From this question we got the answer here as the final answer. Now let us solve the ninth question here, which says that the ratio of two numbers is 2 by 3. If 2 is subtracted from the first and 8 from the second, the ratio becomes the reciprocal of the original ratio. And we have to find the numbers from here. So the ratio of two numbers, let the numbers be um, x and y, and the ratio is 2 by 3. If 2 is subtracted from the first number and 8 is from the second number, so we will get the ratio as the reciprocal of the original ratio as 3 by 2. We will solve this by taking it as first and second. From here we will get as 3x, sorry, here we will solve it firstly. So 3x minus 2y as the first equation, and here also we will solve firstly. So 2x minus 4 equal to 3y minus 24. So 2x minus 3y minus 4 plus 24 equal to 0. So 2x minus 3y plus 20 equal to 0. Now we can solve. So here on solving we will take it as 3x minus 20 as the first equation and this be the second equation. 3x minus 2y equal to 0 and here 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. So we will firstly add these equations. On adding, we will get 5x minus 5y equal to minus 20. X minus y equal to minus 4 from here. Let it be the third equation. On subtracting this equation here, on subtracting first and second here, we will get as uh, x minus y, sorry, plus y here and here 20. So this will be x plus y as 20. Let it be the fourth equation. Now we can solve the third and fourth equation. So y will be cancelled out and here we will get as 2x is equal to 20 minus 4 as 16. So x is equal to 8 from here. Now we can find the value of y as 20 minus 8 equal to 12. So y is equal to 12. Hence, the ratio here is x by y is equal to 8 by 12, which is 2 by 3. Because in cancelling it, we will get as ratio as 2 by 3 only. Putting in the form of ratio, we can write this as x by y equal to 2 by 3, and here we will put the value of x and y, so it is 8 by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. Hence we have proved it that it is the value of this only. This is the answer of this question here. Now let us solve the 10th question here, which says that if 1 is added to the numerator of a fraction, it becomes 1 by 5. If 1 is taken from the denominator, it becomes 1 by 7. So we have to find the fraction. Let the fraction be x and y, x upon y. From here, let it be x by y. So x by y, if the 1 is added to the numerator, x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 5. It becomes 1 by 5. And if it is taken from the denominator, means x by y minus 1 equal to as 1 by 7. We have to find the value of fraction. So firstly we will solve here as 5x plus 5 equal to y as the first equation, and here 7x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 as the second equation. So now we can write this equation as, firstly we will add, here we will add this equation and subtract, sorry, here we will subtract this equation. So it is 5x minus y plus 5 equal to 0, and here 7x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. We will subtract this equation. On subtracting, we will cancel out y from here, and here we will get minus 2x equal to minus 4. Minus minus will be cancelled out, and here x is equal to 2. Now we have to find the value of y from here. So 7x plus 1 equal to y. So 7 into 2 is 14 plus 1 equal to y. So it is 15 equal to y. So this is the answer here in this questions as x by y. Now we have to take it as a fraction. So x by y is equal to 2 by 15 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Here we are going to solve the 11th question. 11th question says that if the numerator of a certain fraction is increased by 2 and the denominator by 1, the fraction becomes equal to 5 by 8. And if the numerator and denominator are each diminished by 1, the fraction becomes equal to 1 by 2. We have to find the fraction. Let the fraction here be x upon y. So it is, let it be x and y. So here it is x and y only. Firstly, it is said that we have to increase the numerator by 2 and denominator by 1. So the fraction becomes 5 by 8. And again here we have to diminish it by 1. So it becomes 1 by 2. Firstly, we will solve here as 8x plus 16 equal to 5y plus 5. So here 8x minus 5y plus 16 minus 5 as 11 equal to 0. This is the first equation. And here we have 2x minus 2 equal to y minus 1. So 2x minus y minus 2 plus 1 as minus 1 equal to 0 as the second equation. Now we can simply um, add here by multiplying it by 4, we can simply subtract it to cancel out 8 from here. So 8x minus 5y plus 11 equal to 0, and here 8x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. This will be cancelled out on subtracting, and here we will get as minus y plus equal to, on taking it this side, minus 15. So y is equal to 15 from here. Now we have to find the value of x. So we can simply find the value of x from the first or second equation. Let it be the second equation. So 2x equal to y plus 1. Here it is 16. So this will be 8. X is equal to 8. And the fraction from here only, x by y is equal to 8 by 15 is the final answer here in this question. Now let us solve the 12th question here, which says that find the fraction which becomes 1 by 2 when the denominator is increased by 4 and is equal to 1 by 8 when the numerator is diminished by 5. So let the fraction here be x by y. So here x, mm, mm, here y minus 4 we have to get, so it is 1 by 8, and sorry, it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 sorry, here we can write this as x by y plus 4. If the denominator is increased by 4, we will get 1 by 2. And if the numerator is diminished by 5, we will get 1 by 8. On solving this, we will get 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0 as the first equation. And here we have 8x minus y minus 40 equal to 0 as the second equation. Here it is 4x. We will multiply this 4. So it is 8x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0, and it is 8x minus y minus 40 equal to 0. This we will subtract here, so this will be cancelled out. Here we will get minus 3y, and we will subtract this 40 by 16. So that is minus 24. This will be cancelled out. Here we will get 8. Y is equal to 8. To find the value of x from here, we can write as y plus 4 divided by 2. So it is 12 by 2. Hence, x is equal to 6 from here. So, the fraction hence x by y is equal to 6 by 8, which we can simplify also, but this is the final answer here in this question.